Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure both Jbuds Air Pro and their case have at least half charge. Low battery can interrupt a reset. Once done, remove the pairing on your phone so the earbuds won't auto-reconnect. Place the buds in the case and close the lid for 10 seconds to ensure they fully power down. Make sure you're in a quiet place to hear LED cues. This prepares the hardware and the host device so the reset proceeds cleanly without phantom connections. Open the case and take both earbuds out. They should power on and attempt pairing. Now press and hold both touch sensors simultaneously for 10 seconds. Don't release early. You'll see the micro LEDs begin a red/white flash cycle. That visual confirms the internal memory is clearing. This step forces a factory reset of Bluetooth settings and stored pairings. If you hear a voice prompt or additional beep, it's another confirmation. Once the lights flash, release and give them a couple seconds to stabilize. After the reset, place the earbuds back into the case and then remove them again to force fresh pairing mode. You should see a steady white or alternating flash. On your phone, scan and pick Jbuds Air Pro and accept any pairing requests. If pairing fails, retry the reset once more, ensure the case battery is full, and forget any leftover entries on your device. If problems persist, test each earbud alone to isolate a faulty unit before contacting Jlab support for warranty assistance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.